Kobri YouTube channel wa na ye to nai na raja to mam pata kum kunos kang terwa ang kapang ni kak chang maya phayo ke tini na raja to mam pata kum kuno ang kupot ta the te sa hik na chumo ke bose Tripura ni Bru Student Rao Nursing College was no ni ye Bengaloreo thanglayo PTG ni doikiye himba bro thanye tongphu ni PTG ni minister ke bale bram nang mebar kumar jomatia se ake director ong ye tonai singke bale bram nang don babu se brau thanai phuo brau no jai ke ye counseling ke kaham khoine singke bale PTG ni director bram nang don babu riang se brau no jai ke ye lo ha hoyo himba abose khasa khanang ke ongsia ke ye brau no sanction ro ke ya ke ma sponsor phokri ke ye PTG ni scheme de ke ye no kha borsa ni 50,000 men ma ro phono maya ke ye bodi ke ye wo abo bait ma bai ke corona ong ye lockdown ong ye brau re sa phai ha arin pu brau kahama ke salai mo se tining kunye mohapo respond kuri ki uye tha arin ba pandawo Tripura ni je nursing college wa thangye tongnai GNM student by ake BSc ro phono tongpayo ake aboro brau thangmai thangnai mak bang mase aboro nimsingo adale lockdown ni no sphai saye maha sponsor ma ya omoni tatewo thangmai ya ongpaye tha arin ba pandawo chini Tripura ni Bru student route majama sa na ro jatok thalaidi.
First of all, a very good afternoon to you all. We are the GNM Students 2021 batch sent by Tripura government officially for nursing course, and we are supposed to be sponsored by PTG department. But unfortunately, after joining the college, we were told that our names are not registered in the government record list. So it was a great shock for us to know, and accordingly, the concerned PTG department denied to sanction our course fee. We as well as our guardians have several times approached to the authority, that then Minister Meva Kumar Zamatia, but there was no response from his end. We almost discontinued our studies, but together we took a decision to meet our Honorable Deputy Chief Executive Member Sir Sri Onumes Debarma, and so we met him and told him the problems we are facing. Then and there he called up his additional CEO Sir Subal Debarma, instructed him, and within 2 weeks of time money was sanctioned in our account. Money was sanctioned of rupees 5,40,000, and so we could come back to Bangalore and continue our course. We are very grateful to Sir Onumes Debarma, Sir Subal Debarma, and Sir Budiliang Shrankal and all other members for being so responsive to us. It is because of you we could come here and continue in building our career. This is what we expect from every other Tripura leaders. Therefore, we would like to take this opportunity to express our thanks and appreciation. So once again, we would like to thank you on behalf of Sri Devi and Sri Ramana Institute of Nursing Students, to TTADC and Sir Onumes Debarma. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Bodi ki chini Bru student raw ben jaga was nung ni thangye bipot sompot lai pa ye tungo khasa khanang ke chong modi ki ye sponsor yan tatewo arim ba ye Tripura o pho chini MLA ke ni ke thamkawo minister phono tongpayo arung mi bono jai kheye chita wani mamba pandawo mam phaje chamode ki kha arin pobro no 2 minute jora pho koma chale ni ma somoi ria yaman tateo ma guardian role jai kheja ma yan chong ha arin ba pandawo bono jai khemene role spo sikhe chini Bru MLA raw chini Bru minister raw chini Bru NGO tok to nai raw Browni dai to se bole bono jai khe mamba pandawo la arung ba ye chung in Tripura ni NGO tok torong ye to nai raw ake minister MLA ye to nai raw wain chu ye browni saka wa habala klu le rana ye jotona request ke phim se judi se browno chung nang khru ye jai khe singkhe bropono course pa ye kahama ke ro phaikhe course complete ye phaikhe bropono ro jati ni samong wo tang khru ye nang khru phaime mala mak bang ma tongo arimba pandawo bodike bipot sompotla ye to nai chini Bru student raw browno po samchuo khapang tabaidi Tripura po chini EM tongo MLA tongo minister bang ma tongo NGO thok bang ma tongo je go themodi ke habala lainai yenaro asadi naro chungdi chini Bru minister po aring number kom yakho chini Bru MLA po power kring yakho ongye tongbo ye tini ben jati se chini sakawo bodi ki khepi ye tongpho chini pho chunai tongo sinai tongo rongnai tongo mamano a sai to ani mamba pandawo no joto snungye tongnai ro no khapang ta bai di ye chai phim se khak cha hanau joto no